Where every predator relies on sharp senses to dominate its arena, the Raptor camera by NextVision is designed to provide unmatched precision and control for critical scenarios. To find a target in demanding environments, you need precision and adaptability. Equipped with advanced infrared and electro-optical sensors, the Raptor excels in delivering unparalleled imaging capabilities, whether it's day or night. Weighing just 640 grams and with a typical power consumption of 8 watts, it integrates seamlessly with a wide range of platforms, providing exceptional performance for extended missions. With a powerful 40x optical zoom and an additional 2x digital zoom, the Raptor delivers up to 80x magnification while maintaining superior image quality. On EO mode, the camera captures high-resolution imagery at 1920 by 1080, and its infrared sensor provides sharp visuals at 1280 by 720, enabling full operational capability. Like a predator scanning its territory, the Raptor's advanced imaging system allows precise identification of individuals at distances greater than 2 kilometers. With recognition capabilities exceeding 4 kilometers, the Raptor provides critical details to inform decision-making. Detecting targets far beyond 6 kilometers, the Raptor ensures nothing escapes its view. The Raptor's advanced stabilization system ensures smooth and steady footage, even in high-motion scenarios, making it perfect for versatile applications. Whether mounted on drones or fixed platforms, it seamlessly integrates into any operational setup, delivering precise and reliable imaging for every mission. The Raptor camera by NextVision redefines what's possible in precision imaging. With its lightweight design, ultra-low power consumption, and ability to perform complex operations in the most challenging environments, it's the ultimate tool for professionals who demand reliability, efficiency, and unmatched performance.